Hi, Professor Hastings here, and I want to welcome you to the Wicked Problem Workshop. This is applying design thinking to a specific problem area. And if you haven't watched the intro video, I go into more detail about what a wicked problem is and how I decided on the wicked problem that we're going to be approaching in this workshop. But basically, it's a twofer. The Wicked Problem Workshop is applying design thinking to a money problem or a money issue in our team, our family, our work, our company, in whatever area we determine. So it's a twofer, two for one. You're learning all of the steps, phases, and some of the methods of the design thinking process, and we're applying it to a specific wicked problem area that we have. So we're going to get some creativity and some clarity around, some area of money in our life, and we're going to learn the design thinking process as applied, experiential. So, in order to get us ready to go through those steps, I've created a downloadable handout. It'll be below this video, the link to download it. It's just 2 pages for you to get an overview of what it is that we're doing. If you haven't watched my 6 short videos on the overview of the design thinking process, please watch those. There'll be a link in the handout. There'll also be a link below this video. And then it's got how to go about gathering materials or the people that we want to do this with, whether we want to do it alone or with our spouse or a family or a team or whoever. And then also our very first mini exercise, just to get thinking about this so that when I release the first phase, empathize, you'll know what you want to work on and who you want to work on it with, or you'll have a general idea. So we're going to be going through all 5 phases: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test, using the design thinking methods on the wicked problem of money in our life. Design your money life, Wicked Problem Workshop. So welcome. I can't wait to see what creative, amazing solutions we come up with. Until next time.